Today I'm back with a baking video, and I haven't done one of these in a long time because when we moved into this place that has like the island. So we moved in and we had this island, but you can't really see what I'm doing with this island because it's blocking it. And then where our dining table is, it's all carpet. So I didn't really think I had anywhere to film and any way to film for you guys. But then I said screw it, and I would just figure it out because I love baking and I love filming baking videos. So today we're finally gonna do another one. So I have my hair back in this little pompadour, very 80s style. And we are gonna be making some chocolate mint cupcakes, which I'm so stoked for because I love chocolate mint. It's like my favorite thing. Ow! I think Hunter's hurting himself. And my nails are in the shade Mint Candy Apple. And I'll be honest, I went and bought this nail polish just because I knew I was going to be making these cupcakes and I wanted them to be cohesive. Is that dumb? Probably, but whatever. So if you want to see how I bake these cupcakes, let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start with the wet ingredients for the cupcakes. So in this bowl I have both of my sugars. It's half a cup of white sugar and then half a cup of brown sugar. And then I have some softened butter and some oil. So you're going to just put those in your stand mixer and just beat them until it's nice and fluffy. Mixture is light and fluffy. I'm going to add 2 eggs one at a time and beat until it's combined, and then I'll add the second egg, and then we're going to add some vanilla extract. Oh, and my eggs are at room temperature because that makes them just mix into the mixture a lot better and a lot easier. You can always just let them sit on the counter until they're room temperature. And now for the dry ingredients, I'm just going to mix those together in a separate bowl. So in this bowl, I have the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then in this bowl, I have the cocoa powder. I'm just gonna take my trusty little fork and just whisk it together. Lovely mixture is done. We're going to start combining the wet and dry ingredients. In this little cup I have 3/4 cups of milk. So I'm going to start with 1/3 of the dry mixture ingredients. I'm going to add that to the wet ingredients and then mix it, and then I'll pour in half of the milk and then mix it again, and then alternate between the dry ingredients and the milk, starting off and ending with the dry ingredients. You'll see how it works. And if you see that a lot of the dry mixture is getting caught on the edges of your bowl, just take a spatula and scrape it down because you want to make sure it's all mixing together like a lovely, lovely match made in heaven. Okay, so now I have greased and lined my muffin tin, and it's time to scoop the mix into all of the muffin liners so we can bake them. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Did I already say that? But it's preheated, and so I'm going to stick these in, and you want to bake them for like 15 to 20 minutes depending on how many cupcakes you're making. I think because I have 12 cupcakes, I'm going to check them at like 17 minutes. But just make sure a toothpick comes out clean. So yeah, let's go bake them. So while the cupcakes are cooling, I'm going to start on the mint frosting. So essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take all of the mixtures for the, what's it called? I kind of just lost my train of thought. the frosting, the icing. I'm gonna take everything and just dump it in this big bowl and just whisk it together using my handheld mixer. It's 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks of butter. Powdered sugar, we're gonna use 3 cups of that because we need a lot of it. Look how much powdered sugar is in there. This thing is so hard to open. I'm always scared it's gonna like fly on me. Oh, 1, 2, and 3. Heavy whipping cream. Make sure it's heavy and not just whipping cream. You want like the heaviness of it. It really makes the icing the consistency that you want. Thing that's gonna make it really minty is I'm using peppermint extract, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, now that it's getting closer to being done being mixed, I'm gonna start adding the food coloring. So I'm gonna start with 2 drops and see if that's like a nice little light minty green. And if not, then I will add 1 or 2 more. All right, it is time to frost our lovely mint chocolate cupcakes. I have a hack for you guys if you don't have a piping bag or if you have broken yours like I did with mine. You can use just like a Ziploc bag and put your frosting in there and just cut a hole at the bottom, and then when you swirl it on your cupcakes, it looks like those cute little puffy frostings that you see in like bakeries. Maybe not as fancy, but it's okay. Now for the fun part, which is decorating your cupcakes. I have Andes mints to put on the top. You can also use York mints. But you know, I like my ratio of chocolate to mint to be more chocolate because duh. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have to squat. So I have Hunter here to help me taste these cupcakes and tell me if you like some. Pick your cupcake. Good, you picked one of the ugly ones.
Bon appetit! Scrub diddly dumptious.
Alright guys, well that's this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like baking videos, and
I can taste that.
don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see more baking videos, and check out my social media because I'll probably post a picture of these cupcakes and other good things. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!